Welcome to USMLEFasttrack.com. The section we're going to talk about today is from First Aid for the USMLE Step 1, 2013 edition.
Page 426. Hydrocephalus. Name the three communicating non-obstructive hydrocephalus. The three communicating non-obstructive hydrocephalus includes communicating hydrocephalus, normal pressure hydrocephalus, and hydrocephalus ex vacuo. What is communicating hydrocephalus? Communicating hydrocephalus is when there is a decrease in cerebrospinal fluid absorption by the arachnoid granulation. Because of this decrease in absorption, it leads to a buildup of cerebrospinal fluid, which leads to increase in intracrainal pressure, papiledema, and herniation. And this sort of thing happens after arachnoid scarring post-meningitis. Define papiledema. Papiledema is the swelling of the optic disc, and optic disc is the area where the optic nerve enters the eyeball, and this is usually associated with increase in intraocular pressure. What is normal pressure hydrocephalus? Normal pressure hydrocephalus results from increase in subarachnoid space volume, but there is no increase in cerebrospinal fluid pressure. So basically, in normal pressure hydrocephalus, there is enlarged cerebral ventricles. And because of this expansion of the ventricles, it will distort the fibers of the corona radiata, and this leads to a clinical triad of urinary incontinence, ataxia, and cognitive dysfunction, and this is sometimes reversible. What is the mnemonic to help you remember the clinical triad of normal pressure hydrocephalus? The mnemonic to help you remember this is just remember wet, wobbly, and wacky. And this is because wet is urinary incontinence, wobbly is ataxia, and wacky is the cognitive dysfunction. What is hydrocephalus ex vacuo? Hydrocephalus ex vacuo is a condition in which there is an appearance of increase in cerebrospinal fluid, and this is because of brain atrophy. So in this, the cerebral ventricles and the subarachnoid space just looks enlarged, and this is because of the fact that the brain has atrophied. What are some of the conditions that can lead to hydrocephalus ex vacuo? Some of the conditions that can lead to this includes Alzheimer's disease, advanced HIV, and Pick's disease. So in this condition, because of the intracranial pressure being normal, the triad of normal pressure hydrocephalus is not seen here. So to simply summarize this, the apparent increase in CSF observed on imaging is actually a result of decreased neural tissue due to neuronal atrophy. What is non-communicating obstructive hydrocephalus? Non-communicating obstructive hydrocephalus is a condition caused by structural blockage of CSF circulation within the ventricular system, and this structural blockade can be caused by stenosis of the aqueduct of Sylvius.
For more information on this topic, click on the link in the description section below. For a full USMLE Step 1 review, be sure to check us out at USMLEFasttrack.com, where we help you review the entire first aid for the USMLE Step 1 with high quality videos and hundreds of detailed pictures for a better understanding of the material. So to learn from the best USMLE review book, be sure to check us out at USMLEFasttrack.com.